Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Points with Real Debrid, updated. Start by signing into your Real Debrid account and locating the rewards or points area to view your current balance and available redemptions. Next, identify which offers accept Fidelity Points and note any minimum thresholds before claiming. Finally, plan redemptions around your streaming needs to maximize value and avoid losing unused points. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Points with Real Debrid, updated. Begin with a quick account check. Confirm your login, linked email, and any required verifications so points show correctly. Make sure your profile details match any partner accounts tied to promotions. If needed, refresh the session or relog to force a balance update. These steps prevent hiccups when you go to redeem points for premium access. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Points with Real Debrid, updated. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and fit most fridge shelves, perfect for snacks between streaming sessions. They stack neatly and save spill cleanup time, which is great when you binge watch. If you want the exact containers and other deals, check the description for the link and details, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Points with Real Debrid, updated. When redeeming, choose the reward that best matches your streaming habits and verify the points cost before confirming. Apply credits directly to subscription or checkout options and watch the balance adjust in real time. If anything looks off, capture the confirmation and contact support promptly. Thoughtful redemptions save points and get you uninterrupted premium streaming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.